Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. So stick around.
Perfect.
Alright, so the review is for the Air Fryer Oven Elite. Let's kind of just walk through it and show you actually what it comes with first, and then we'll get into the functionality and all that stuff. Alright guys, so this is what the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite comes with. First of all, you get 3 books. You got dehydration, and yes, you can do beef jerky on this. You have your rotisserie, shows you how to do all your rotisserie. I've already done a rotisserie chicken. I will show you a video at the end for this. This is America's Fried Foods. I've already done wings and all kinds of other stuff on this. So you get 3 books to show you how to do that. It also comes with 8 skewers for shish kebabs, which work with these in conjunction with this. So you use this for all of your rotisserie, like the rotisserie chicken. I use this for the shish kebabs, so you get that as well. It also comes with a great fry attachment. This fry attachment is amazing. You just close that, it literally just goes right in, throw your fries in there. Fries turn out amazing, or anything you could think of to put in there. Also, you get this awesome basket if you want to do like chicken thighs or legs or something. You don't want to use the trays. You can use this. It's non-stick and it's awesome. This is really, really awesome. If you want to do like 4 thighs or something like this, oh, this is perfect. Absolutely amazing. This is actually to pull the chicken out. I'll show you that here in a little bit. And it comes with a stand, so when you're done with your rotisserie, you can put it in here and it stands up like this. You can carve it if you want or whatever. And the handle also for the basket. All right, so I'm gonna show you kind of how this stuff works. And we're gonna take you over to the Air Fryer Oven Elite. Check in a minute. All right, guys, it is time to actually talk about this thing in its existence. Here it is. So we're gonna open it up for you. That's how it is. There's no grates, there's no nothing, or no trays or nothing in there. It comes also with 3 of these. Now these are for cooking anything. I'm gonna pop these in here for you. You get 3 of these. So they go in just like this. 1, 2, 3. Just that simple. Now with those 3 racks versus a regular air fryer, you can do maybe 10, maybe 12 wings with this. I've done 30 wings with this before at once. 30 at one time. Now you can take those racks out and you can pop in your tray. It fits right in there just like that. That is for if you want to do thighs. You can do thighs on these trays if you want, but if you want, this is non-stick in here. These are actually, I put a little bit of oil on those, but this is non-stick. You could do your thighs, your legs, or whatever fits in there, you can cook in there. And it comes with this handy dandy handle, which you just literally plop in there and take right out. Just like that. Very awesome, sturdy, and great. So that's the basket. All right, guys. So some of the other features of this thing that I really like, the heating element is on top. It comes with a splash guard. If you guys can see this right here, a splash guard, so it don't get all the grease up top. So that is awesome. Also, this right here, the worst thing is getting your window very dirty. You don't want to get your window dirty. The thing about this is, look at that. It pops right out. Now, I haven't cleaned this one in a couple of cooks, no problem. But this is how easy it is. I can go over there right now, 20 seconds, clean this thing off, no problem, dry it off, pop it right back in, just like that. And it has a window on the front as well. So a window on the front, and that window pops out as well. So that makes it very easy to clean. Now the bottom, the drip tray, is all non-stick. I literally used this earlier today, and to clean it off, I used a paper towel, just like this. Boop, paper towel, all the grease, everything just wiped right off. Awesome. That goes right on the bottom, guys. Now, with that being said, there's a couple other the attachments and stuff which are really simple. More in the book you can find that. It's super simple to use. There's a button right here if you can see it. Let me open this up for you. Right here, this red button is. You literally just click this and it opens up a little thing in here and it just slides right in. Super, super simple. Okay, so that's the inside of it. Let's go ahead and close this thing up. All right, and then we'll bring it right back to the kind of the interface of what it looks like. All right, guys, let's show you the interface of the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. Super simple. You can see the button right here. It's the power button. This thing just stays off. You click it, boom, turns right on. You have all your presets for fries and fish and pizza and chicken, your rotisserie soup. You just literally hit the rotisserie button and that's all it is. It's super simple. So this is the interface. It's really, really, really easy. You can put your temperature to whatever you want. And it shows you in the books what temperatures to cook at. I've cooked at different temperatures and stuff and kind of played around with it. Oh, it's about to start. Let's see. Oh, well, it's starting. There it goes, guys. So after you pick your preset or whatever, it starts. And you can pick, you can up your minutes to whatever you want. You can, obviously down your minutes, whatever. So the interface is really easy. You hit the button, you click what you want, you follow the instructions, and that's what it sounds like. It's not loud. This thing is super awesome. The other thing I love about it, let me see if I can bring you down here to the bottom, or close. So we got that thing rolling. Actually, let me see if I can get you just a little lower. Oh, sorry about that, guys. But right here, the light. I love the light. You can click the light, and it's right there. It's just a little light button. You just click it. Anytime you want to see what you're doing, you just get in there and see what's going on. Obviously, I don't have anything in there cooking right now, but I will here pretty soon. So, yeah, that's the interface of it, guys. And yeah, super, super easy to use. And yeah, that's what that is, guys. So we'll bring you back for the wrap up of the review. All right, guys, I told you I would show you kind of the inner parts of this book. I'm going to start out with this beef jerky, because I'm going to try this next. So you got beef jerky, but the dehydrator has, I mean, just recipes and recipes of all kinds of stuff. I mean, you got your herb roasted chickens and stuff. I mean, this book is probably about 35 pages long. Beef kebabs, I mean, all kinds of stuff. Look at that. I've already done the chicken. It turned out amazing. You've got your stuff in here. I mean, this stuff turns out just as good as it looks. Honestly, I mean, stuff. All right, guys. So that was the books. All right, well, I'll bring you back to wrap this thing up here in just a second. All right, guys, so that is my review of the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. The thing is awesome. I'm giving it 5 out of 5 stars for me. I mean, all we do is use this thing constantly. So if you really like the review or you're thinking about purchasing one, please do. I mean, it's a great gift for people that obviously will know how to cook and people that don't know how to cook. Students, parents, aunts, uncles, anybody that wants to cook some awesome food can get this thing. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Just click show more, it'll be there. Also, there'll be some iCards up top with some videos that I did for some chicken wings, the rotisserie chicken. I've already done that stuff. And in the comments, I will pin it for you so you can purchase this if you like. This link will take you right to Amazon. All you gotta do is add to cart. The best price on Amazon is what you're getting. Free shipping, 2 to 3 days, and that's it, guys. So that's my review, and if you're interested in purchasing one of the things, please do. They're awesome and amazing, and you guys can be cooking some great food too, and we'll see you on the next cook/review. Have a good one.
Perfect.